How to add photo on Airbnb profile. Are guests facing issues to add photo on Airbnb profile? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add photo on your Airbnb profile, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile. Tap on profile. After you click on profile, tap on your profile name. As soon as you tap on your profile name, click on edit. As soon as you click on edit, you can see this option for camera or add icon. Just simply tap on add. As soon as you click on add, select the photo from device or you can click actual photo live photo. Once you click on take a photo, your camera will open up and just simply click the picture. After you click the picture, tap on done and your profile will be changed on Airbnb profile. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna add photo or profile picture on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.